Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on an Epson XP-6100. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel you can see here and a single sheet of paper. So first of all we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now we move ourselves along with the right hand arrow, going through the various options until we get to maintenance, which looks like this. We press OK to go into that, and print head nozzle check is the very top option. So we press OK to go into that. As I mentioned, you have to have a sheet of paper to do this. Press OK, assuming you've got that in there, and then we give the printer just a minute, and it'll spit out a page that looks like this. And here we have a breakdown of the black, cyan, yellow, magenta and photo black inks that your printer uses, showing your printer's ability to produce these colours and show off the finer detail as well. As you can see, these lines are somewhat angled and they're made up of a series of smaller lines to make it nice and easy to detect where small lines would be found across your prints. So if you see any kind of missing sections or even absent colours, you'll know where the problem lies. And back at the screen, our printer's asking about the results of the print. Obviously mine looks perfect, but if you've got any gaps or absent colours in your prints, we just go along to that and press OK, and your printer will take us down the line of doing cleaning cycles. And cleaning cycles use a decent amount of ink, as your printer's physically pushing ink through the print head within it to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be giving you print quality issues. So it's worth using sparingly, but it's the very first step in resolving print quality issues. So just press OK again if you do have those gaps, and your printer will do that clean. And from here you can just do cleaning cycles and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.